Oh my god, this guy, like when his model is frozen, he literally looks like... He looks better when he's not moving and not talking. He looks more like a Chad, you know? It's better when you're silent, Mr. Haywire. Wait, actually, oh, I've always wanted to do this. Hold on.
Hey guys, it's your favorite therapist, Hex Haywire. Okay. Yeah. So, sicklings, thank you. Thank you so much for coming to today's stream with Enna. Enna's my favorite senpai and the only senpai that accepts me besides Exole and Luna. And I just wanted to say that I really appreciate her 32 out of 10 personality. And I love my community, but I love the whole of... Oh my god, I can't do this voice. Oh my god, how the f does he do this? Well, it's his natural voice, so it's like... Yeah, so as I was saying, sorry, a little bit of a throat. I'm sorry, I was just, coughing. But yeah, I just wanted to say I really love you guys, and I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I can't... Every day I'm so grateful that you guys are here, and I just can't wait to spend more time with everyone. And yeah, just know, sicklings, alu peeps, I love you guys so much. Yeah, and 我会照顾你们。
I'm back. What happened? Yo, Hex, what are you doing? Like, why are you, yo, you're sitting on both chairs. Like, I thought you were leaving.
Yeah, I just wanted to come back down and just say that, I appreciate the communities today.
Okay, Hex, you're getting a little bit cheesy, you know? So, I don't know how to handle cheese.
Well, and I just want to let you know that you're super amazing, and I really respect you, and I think you're a really cool person.
Okay, Hex, I think your mom's waiting for you for like that birthday dinner, so you better get going.
You're right. Yeah, I'll go back. Okay. Bye, everyone.
Oh my god, what's wrong with this guy, bro? The fuck? Holy shit. Okay, guys. Holy shit. That hurt my voice, not gonna lie. I know, I'm so good at it. I'm so good at Hex impression. It just takes a lot out of me.